Assalamu alaikum. Today we are going to see new topic, differential equations. In this video we will know the terms which will occur in all these chapters and some problems. So first of all, differential equation, short form DE, have many applications in many branches of physics, physical chemistry, etc. Differential equations occur in problems of radioactive decay, Newton's law of cooling, chemical reactions, population dynamics, the motion of a particle or a planet, or the motion of a springs to electric circuits. So here these are the fields which we use differential equation. Now what is differential equation? So differential equation, an equation involving one dependent variable and its derivative with respect to one or more independent variable is called a differential equation. For example, dy by dx is equal to x into 2 log x plus 1 by sin y plus y cos x. Second example, y square minus x dy by dx is equal to a bracket of y plus dy by dx. One or more dependent variables. Next, ordinary differential equation. So what is ordinary differential equation? If a differential equation contains only one independent variable, then it is called ordinary differential equation, ODE. Example, dy by dx plus 5x is equal to cos x. See, all in one variable x and y independent one. D square y by dx square whole square minus 3 into dy by dx minus e power of x is equal to 4. Third, dy by dx is equal to kx, where k is constant. Now next, partial differential equation. So if a differential equation contains more than one variable, then it is called partial differential equation. Example, x dou z by dou x plus y dou z by dou y equal to 0. Dou square w by dou x square plus dou square w by dou y square plus dou square w by dou z square equal to 0. This is partial differential equation. Next term, degree. So what is degree here? The largest exponent of the highest order derivative. Highest order derivative in the equation is called degree of the differential equation, or in short, it is the degree of the highest order derivative. Degree of highest order derivative. Next, order. The order of a differential equation is the order of the highest derivative occurring in it. In short, it is the maximum of the orders of the derivative. Next next term, solution. A solution of a differential equation is a relation between dependent variable, independent variable, and along the some arbitrary constant satisfying the differential equations. Next, general solution. A solution of a differential equation in which the number of arbitrary constant is equal to the order of the differential equation is called general solution. Okay. Next, particular solution. What is particular solution? A particular solution of a differential equation is a solution obtained by giving particular values to the arbitrary constant in the general solution. Okay. Now here method to solve differential equation. Here we have only 4 differential equation. They are variable separable method, homogeneous equation, non-homogeneous equation, and linear differential equation. So here we are learning about, in this differential equations we are learning only these 4 topics: variable separable method, homogeneous equation, non-homogeneous equation, linear differential equation. So in the higher classes you will learn more about other methods. Now let us go for the problems. These will ask you for 2 marks. Find the order and the degree. Find the order and degree of the differential equations. Now first problem, d square y by dx square is equal to minus p square y. So given, see here, d square y by dx square. So order of derivative is 2. Order means 2, second order derivative. So what is the power of the derivative? 1. So order is 2, that is second derivative, degree is 1. Next, d cube y by dx cube whole power of 2 minus 3 dy by dx whole square minus e power of x equal to 4. See here dy by dx, here d cube y by dx cube. So this is the highest derivative. So order is 3, third derivative, and the power is 2, so degree 2. Order 3, degree 2. Next question, d square y by dx square plus dy by dx whole cube whole power of 6 by 5 equal to 6y. Here the power is in fraction form. So what we will do, send 6 by 5 to there. So this will be same, but 6 by 5 when it go to that side of equal to, it become 5 by 6. So here dy by dx, here dy by dx. So on dy by dx there is no fraction power. Here 3, here 1. So out of which this is dy by dx 1 time, d square y by dx square 2 times. So order is 2, second order derivative. What is the power here? Degree 1. Order 2, degree 1. Next question, dy by dx power 1 is equal to x power of 1 by 2 by y power of 1 by 2, 1 into 1 plus x power of 1 by 2. See here dy by dx only. So order is 1 and degree is 1. Order 1, degree 1. Now next question, d square y by dx square is equal to 1 plus dy by dx whole square whole power of 5 by 3. So given as it is, see we have to, this is in fraction form. So to reduce this, cubing on both sides. So d square y by dx square whole cube is equal to this power of 3. So this 3 and cube cancel, only 5 will be remain. So now this and this are in number. So order highest, here it is dy by dx. Now here d square y by dx square. So this is the highest derivative. So dy order is 2, second order derivative, and the power degree is 3. Order 2, degree 3. Next question, 1 plus d square y by dx square whole square is equal to 2 plus dy by dx whole square power 3 by 2. So now to cancel these two, squaring on both sides. So 1 plus d square y by dx square whole square, this squaring whole square, and this is equal to square. This square root cancel. Here right side 2 plus dy by dx whole square power 3, but here a plus b whole square, A square 1, B square means d square y by dx square, 2 2s are, it will come 4 plus 2ab. So now the highest power is d square y by dx square. So order is 2, second order derivative, and degree is 4. Order 2, degree 4. Next, last question. dy by dx power 1 by 2 plus d square y by dx square power 1 by 3 power 1 by 4 equal to 0. Now this 1 by 4 power sent to that side. So 0 power 4, 0 power 4 means 0. And so what will we get? Dy by dx 1 by 2 plus d square y by dx square power 1 by 3 equal to 0. Send this plus to that side, it become minus. Dy by dx is equal to 1 by 2 equal to minus of d square y by dx square power 1 by 3. Now see here, swap the power. When it 3 will come here and 2 sent to here. So 1 by 3 goes to that side, it become power 3. So dy by dx power 3. 1 by 2, when you send that side, it become power 2. Swap the power means 1 by 3 will come here, it become 3. 1 by 2 sent to that side, it become power 2. Now see, this is dy by dx and this is d square y by dx square. So this is the highest derivative. So order is 2, second order derivative, degree is 2 as the power is 2. Order 2 and degree 2. So this is the topic, order and degree. Hope you will find the terms and method to find order and degree. That's all.